What's going on, y'all? It's a full mama here with another unboxing from Just Saying. We're going to do the one, I think this is the one with Luffy gear. And we got this one right before Christmas. They had like a little Christmas deal, I think it was. And we were waiting on that one. And it finally came in since I took a little break. And now they're shipping the gear, so a lot of people got their emails at the same time. I was one of them that got it, and it came in. So I want to unbox this right now. I also think there's some bleach gear in here too. I know I say I think, I'm pretty sure there is, because I only had one order out. But let's get this going so y'all can see. Make sure y'all don't see the address too well. So let's see how I can do this document myself. Oop, there goes my finger. And then other side. Can't do the front to show you all, sadly. But let's see all we can do here. Hey y'all! It's a little awkward since I know last time I grabbed the blade, and I think I actually did cut my finger a little bit. It's like the little like paper cut kind of deal. But yeah, usually when you order a lot of hoodies, it does come in this kind of style. I just stabbed the box. And that's why you keep your hand far, far away. But yeah, it should be good now. There we go. And here we go. We got the gear. I think we got some JoJo gear too. I think it's a lot of hoodies. I want to say maybe like 4 hoodies we got for sleeveless. I think we got Dio's one. And I was going to order the Jotaro Star Platinum one, but we didn't. We did get 2 new stickers. I want to try to keep these in good shape because my water bottle is messing up a little bit. But we're going to organize this real quick, and then we will be right back. So, after going through all this, let's just sheath this real quick. Yeah! After going through it, it's 3 hoodies. I thought it was 4, but it's 3. So we'll save my favorite for last, and we'll do some solo ones first. So open up these 3. So, when it first released Onyx Beerus, they didn't have the shorts with them. So, I ended up getting those. But this first is the Star Platinum one. When I first got the Star Platinum one, they didn't have encounter shorts. I didn't want to go with joggers, because Star Platinum, his leggings, I feel like his bottom, his lower half is more skin tight. Not like jogger style loose. So I ended up getting the leggings, but I didn't like wearing those often, so I decided to get joggers, not joggers, and counter shorts for them. Next, we move on to the Beerus Onyx. They didn't have it, so I ended up buying his bottoms for his shorts and joggers, because I have long sleeve and short sleeve of Beerus. So if you know me and see my unboxing, you know I always try to get sets. And then I mix and match once in a while with the sets depending on what I feel like that day. But yeah, here's the shorts. After that, we save the hoodies for last. We'll go with this next one. So this is the Demon Slayer Corp 2.0, I think is what it's called. But this is actually like Uzui. So I always say his name wrong. Tengen Uzui tank top. Since he does wear tank tops, I decided to get the tank top of it. And hopefully my arms will grow when I get those arms like that. And those shoulders. And I look better with that. But and of course his pants are a little baggy. So we got the joggers. So here are the joggers. Or encounter shorts or pants, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, I can't wait to wear this one. I probably wear this one on arms or shoulder days. Usually like wearing tank tops on those days. Next, we'll go with Mr. Dio. So Dio, his will be worn on bench day since it's a sleeveless hoodie. I thought that would be a good one for Dio. I do like Onyx deal looked better than the other one. Since it was green, but I like he normally wears black, you know? So I thought that would be better than the green. And then I got the Onyx joggers, which had the black in the center instead of green, which is what I think it looks like. When I look at pictures, I see that more often than the green. So I thought that was better to go with. Next, we go with our bleach. This one I had to get again because you know me, I love bleach. Hitsugai is my favorite. We got his casual, we got his tank or razor. Not the tanks, we just got the razor for him. So we decided to get the sleeveless hoodie for him and the vent shorts. The vent shorts are actually pretty nice. I showed them before last time. Have the air flow on the side, gives you a little extra expansion. I think with the vent shorts, in my opinion, getting the low cuts are better than the high cut. The high cut I feel like is better than the regular encounters. That's just my opinion because I feel like the vent has extra details that feels a little better, especially with the Delta vent ones. You get a little extra flare at the bottom that I feel like you don't actually need with the low cut or the high cuts. And then we got the hoodie. The sleeveless hoodie of Hitsugai. Yep, got his thing there, and then of course the inside. Always nice with the detail inside the hoodies. Always nice, love that. So now I got this I could wear underneath or over the razor tank on back days. I probably won't though. I'll probably just wear this on chest days. And last, but of course the best, we gotta get this eventually, and that is Luffy. Of course, my favorite character, so we had to get him next to Hitsugai, of course. But we got his encounter shorts. I think we got the low cut in these. Let me check, make sure if that's what it says on here. Don't think it is, but I'm pretty sure it's low cut because I knew the low cut had his, Luffy has a little baggy, so decided to go with that, just like I did with the Law one. But yeah, so I know Luffy doesn't always wear black shorts, but felt like black and red, the best combo would be that, then the blue and I think red, because red I felt like was too in my opinion. And that blue, which I went with for Law, I think. But yeah, so yeah, I thought they're pretty cool detail. I knew they didn't get some of the straw hats, razors, and casual shirts, but that'll be eventually. So we have all that there taken care of. I guess we'll show off, since we have 3 hoodies, I mean, technically showing off 3 hoodies. But let's see what ones we can show off today. I'll show off the 2.0. I haven't seen anyone wear that one yet. And then we'll just go with the Luffy. We'll just show those 2, Luffy and Slayer 2.0. So I'll be back with the Slayer 2.0, okay? And we're back, y'all, with the 2.0. As you can see, tank top. Does feel a little tighter than the previous tank tops I have. I did notice a lot of people saying the tank tops are feeling, I guess, undersized now. I really ordered them. I usually get, as you can see, usually get hoodies. But it does feel a little tired, like people are saying. I think I don't have any, to be honest, that are large back in the past. But this is supposed to be an extra large. Yeah, I'm just getting bigger too. You know, I know, right? Who knows? But so this is it. The Yuzu Tengen one, aka Demon Slayer Corpse 2.0, I think is what they call it. But pretty nice. You have the bottom part right here, and nice little detail with the buttons. And the little side, oh, wrong side. That's why I hate mirror stuff. But yeah, can't complain. Pretty good. And of course, you got the freaking muscles. Just flex on them, cause the rats. You're gonna be one of those rats, right? The muscle rats. But this is this one. This is the extra large, and the bottoms does feel, I don't know if anyone else, I don't think no one else has mentioned it, but the joggers, like I mentioned in other videos, they do feel a lot looser than before. But I guess that could be a good thing, bad thing, I don't know. But we'll be back with some Gumma Gumma Luffy. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is the Luffy one. It is, I feel like it's pretty much the same from the top. It does feel like everything in my past videos I said it felt looser here now. I actually feel about the same now for the other ones because this is supposed to be extra large. Shorts are large. I might actually start having to get extra large shorts. I'm not too sure yet. We'll see, but I just don't feel comfortable with the extra larger because I feel like it might be too long and short, even though we do have the drawstring that comes with this, but I don't like taking this off. I actually like having the pull down with it. And the joggers had those too now, as we mentioned in the past video with the Onyx, and I think our last part of the ambassadors. But as you can see, this is the Luffy one. Does have his logo inside with the fruit and his, like I said, his logo, his pirate flag. I think nothing's on the inside here. Yeah, nothing there. I think might be some inside on the pockets. Yeah, just saying on the pockets. And that's it. So let's do a full rotation. I didn't do a full rotation. Another one, I guess you kind of did, but I didn't do it like how I normally do. But you know, cities always do because I want people to buy them more. Like what's his name, Charles, in our group chat. Oh, he bought a lot of razors and sleeveless hoodies this past order, and I was like, yeah, let's go. So hoping more people will get into that. But yeah, this hoodie is pretty nice. I always like the sleeveless hoodies. And we're going to go rock this today, even though it's kind of cold. So we might actually wear the Luffy underneath, or we might not. We'll find out, I guess. Myself will, not you all. But yeah, thanks for coming, enjoying. Hopefully you stay tuned for more, because anytime I get a Just Saiyan gear, we're going to unbox it, you know. So anyways, guys, take care. Peace.